Alright, we're finally back with part 2. Where the fuck is my phone at? As soon as I can find my fucking phone. We're finally back with part 2. And we're gonna go traumatize little kids. Now, as you saw from my recent short, where I said part 2 is coming soon.
I need to ask questions. Yo, you're in the same code as an FYI, but why is there Rainbow in the sky? Because I'm doing a video and I need to ask questions.
I'm a brat punk, fat gay nigger, pedophile, child predator, no pussy in the wild. Oh my, I found you, nigger. Don't you run from me, little nigger. You wanna taste enough?
Hey, no way, no way.
Your parents could read the word back.
They tell me my penis small, I tell them let it grow. I jerk my cock until it's bleached just like a chicken bone. I tell them stroke my peenie, they laugh and tell me choke. It's cool because I want them laughing at my penis small. They jerking cocks at me, I'm not in rocks, catch me. I'm spitting calm out my penis, no you can't combat me. They tell me Jesus walks. Post my pictures on TikTok. They tell me I've been creaming. I say I'm wide awake. Cock's hot and ready, so they call me Mr. Masturbate. They tell me I'm a beaner. I think my cock is great. Nothing to my homies on an empty tank to the bank. I'm trying to put you in a fursuit.
She's a runner, she's a track star. She gon' run away when it gets hard. She can't take the
Eat this.
What the heck?
Eat these.
I touch my cousin every day, we fuck like animals. I twerk my ass off and sell kids alcohol.
I'm here with these new file audios.
Fucking nigga.
Oh shit! Somebody's trying to report me!
Yeah.
Mickey! I didn't like that. I heard that Green Monkey does not come in trying to get up there. You know that.
Remember the banana guys from Mickey Munch? I'm gonna kill you, Mickey Mouse, because you killed my favorite character, Pluto.
You cheated on me. Can you hear it? Just don't touch me. Can you hear it?
Wait, where's Mickey Mouse? I need to tell Mickey Mouse something.
Mickey Mouse. Where's Mickey Mouse?
Scratch you.
There's a big dick in my walls, hard on. Through his pants I see his balls, hard on. Keep my dick and balls inside, wish I had a wet wipe. There's a gay side to us all, hard on. Every inch in my rear end, he grinds and grinds, feeling my adrenaline. He grinds and grinds, licks the cream cheese off my feet, constantly beats my knees. Cock is hard just like cement, he grinds.
I've come to shoot it at you. I'm replying copyright music. Ow. Dork Explorer!
Dork the Explorer, what happened to you?
I'm scratching your...
Is that what?
I'm a brat pod, fat gay nigger pedophile, child predator, no pussy in the wild. Oh my, oh.
You're cursed. They tell me my penis small, I tell them let it grow. I jerk my cock until it's bleached just like a chicken bone. I tell them stroke my peenie, they laugh and tell me chode. It's cool because I want them laughing at my penis small. They jerking cocks at me, I'm not in rocks, catch me. I'm straight and calm at my penis, no you can't combat me. They tell me Jesus walks, I tell them so does my cock. Penis got me chill. My pictures on TikTok, they tell me I've been creaming. I said I'm wide awake, cock's hot and ready, so they call me Mr. Masturbate. They tell me I'm a beaner, I think my cock is great. Nothing to my homies on an empty tank to the bank.
Elevator. Doesn't matter. No, he's going monk block.
Hawaiian fucking nigger.
Are you?
Now, it's time to bust a nut.
I have a finger painter. Just I can't find it over there. I have too much. Thank you. It's just I have too much finger painters. One with the paint on them. One holding the brushes.
Okay, where should we go next?
Hey, Kachan. Happy birthday. Thanks, nerd.
Yeah, have fun.
What are you hiding behind your back? It's a sweet surprise.
Do a Michael Jackson
Well,
movie.
let me see, Deku.
MJ.
Slowly turns around. Do you like it? Deku, why are you holding the cake box by your butt cheeks?
Michael Jackson movie.
Open the box, Kachan.
Michael Jackson movie. I have a couple of these.
Holy bazookas.
It's gonna be hard.
The
trying to
cake
do
is
it.
your butt. Yes, Kachan, the cake is my booty.
No, I'm doing
I hope you don't mind.
Hello.
You know, cause it's a
You wanna
cake.
do a Michael Jackson
And it's your birthday, so I figured you want to eat my cake. You bitch. Freaking ass that wants to eat that cake.
The code for the Michael Jackson movie
Ooh.
is
Kachan, stop. It tickles. What flavor is it? It's vanilla with
TH
chocolate
actually.
on the inside. I
The best player of all time.
Hey, Kachan. Happy birthday.
I know. I like points.
Thanks, nerd. What are you hiding behind your back? It's a sweet surprise.
Get away
Well,
from
let
me.
me see, Deku. Slowly turns around. Your butt cheeks.
You're what?
Open the box, Kachan.
You're what?
Holy bazookas. The cake. Yes, Kachan. My booty. I hope you don't mind. You know, 'cause it's a cake.
And it's your birthday, so I figured you'd want to eat my cake.
You bet your freaking ass that wants to eat that cake. Ooh,
Gotcha. Stop, it tickles. It's vanilla
Can you guys all
chocolate.
subscribe to Samantha Perez on YouTube? That's my best friend.
because they think that you're a real YouTuber. That they think
Oh wait,
that you're
actually,
a
There's a big dick in my walls. Hard on. Through his pants, I see his balls. Keep my dick and balls inside. Wish I had a man. There's a good side to us all.
Spider, do you
Do you want to go, son?
playing that music like whoa?
Do you want to go, son?
It's an audio. It's
Yes,
audio.
dude. Do you want to go, son?
Can
Do you want to go, son?
Like, can you speak?
Hey, you're cursed.
Do you want to go, son?
Bro,
Shut up with that.
Hey.
Okay.
And bro. Okay, so guys, once I join like a server.
Nigger pedophile. Oh, pussy in a while. Oh my, I found you, nigger. Don't you run from me, little nigger.
It is.
Yeah,
It is.
I'm here with these new fella audios.
My name's 45.
Brad Hog, fat gay nigger pedophile. Child predator, no pussy in a while. Oh my, I found you, nigger. Don't you run from me, little nigger.
W-A-T. W-A-T. I don't know how
I'm
W-A-T.
here with these new
Yeah, W-A-T. W-A-T. W-A-T for the movie, guys. I'm not.
So you're telling me you work now?
Nope. I'm not.
Smack my ass, eat your dick, throw them balls in my mouth, bitch. I can't get in the fucking tree, bitch. I'm not Bill Cosby. This pussy is not out. I call it getting done.
What the heck? Wants to be in my movie that will
Chuck?
be on YouTube.
Happy birthday.
It
Thanks, nerd.
depends on,
What are you hiding behind your back?
It's a sweet surprise.
Well, let me see, Deku.
Slowly turns around. Do you like it?
Deku.
W-A-T.
Why are you holding the cake box by your butt cheeks?
Blue, can I make the sound?
Open the box, Gotcha.
Yo, guys, I just meant 2
Holy bazookas. The cake is your butt?
Yes, Gotcha. The cake is my booty. I hope you don't mind. You know, 'cause it's a cake. And it's your birthday, so I figured you'd want to eat my cake.
You bet your freaking ass that
So what you do
wants to eat that cake.
is you come over here.
Ooh,
Gotcha, stop. It
Over
tickles.
here.
what flavor is it?
It's vanilla with chocolate on the inside. I put sprinkles on it too and everything.
Bonky Deku sprinkles.
He's not cheating.
My favorite. Let's just say I'm gonna put all types of vanilla icing on that chocolate.
No, you just have to be.
Gotcha,
Yo, I got a question.
you're making me
I got a
hard.
question for somebody.
Time to dig in.
Anybody?
What? Go gaming Terry. He's not cheating.
Does
Gotcha,
anybody,
chill.
does anybody want to 1v1 me? In an in-person lobby?
I want to be one. I'm not gonna be. Yo, bro, this
I'm
I say thank you, freaking Bakugo kid.
You're eating my booty too fast!
Good, everybody.
Wait, can you wait?
How you
real
guys
quick?
doing?
Can you wait?
Yo, wait, yo, what do you mean somebody's hitting your booty too fast? What?
There's a big dick in my walls, hard on. Through his pants I see his balls, hard on. Keep my dick and balls inside, wish I had a wet wipe. There's a gay side to us all, hard on. Every inch of my rear end, he grinds and grinds, feeling my adrenaline. He grinds and grinds, licks the cream cheese off my feet, constantly beats my knees. Cock goes hard just like cement, he grinds,
You guys want to 1v1 me?
I lie down and
I'm the best of me! I'm the best of me!
This song? Down better sped up.
Yeah, that's one of the best names.
Do it again.
there's a big dick in my wall. Hard on. Through his pants I see his balls, hard on. Keep my dick and balls inside, wish I had a wet wipe. There's a gay side to us all, hard on. Every inch of my rear end, he grinds and grinds, feeling my adrenaline. He grinds and grinds, licks the cream cheese off my feet, constantly beats my knees. Cock is hard just like cement, he grinds,
What you listening to, man?
They tell me my penis small, I tell them let it grow. I jerk my cock until it's squishes like a chicken bone. I tell them stroke my peenie, they laugh and tell me chode. It's cool because I want them laughing at my penis small. They jerking cocks at me, I'm not in box, catch me. I straight calm out my penis, no you can't come at me. They tell me Jesus walks, I tell them so's my cock, penis got me chill. Post my pictures on TikTok, they tell me I'm green. I say I'm wide awake, cops on already, so they call me Mr. Masturbate. They tell me I'm a leader.
Hands yourself, man. That's not okay. That is not okay. What do you think you are, man? You can't be doing that shit. Oh my god. I'm telling everybody what they're doing, man. Guys! Look what he's doing! Look what he's doing, man. Bro, turn the loudspeaker off. We already know it's you, man. Show your voice. Show your voice. It's not, you don't have a flipping soundboard, you idiot. You don't have a flipping PC because you're on a flipping quest. Alright, nobody cares.
Yeah, it's fine.
You can't afford to get a PC.
There's a big dick in my walls, hard on, through his pants I see his balls, hard on, keep my ticking balls inside, wish I had a wet
Can't afford to get a PC because you
hard on,
Rhymes, feeling my
Wake up! It's Michael Jackson time! You know,
Happy birthday!
Wait,
Thanks, nerd.
They left, guys. I think
What are you hiding?
No.
It's just.
I thought you better. No,
Well, let me see, Deku. Slowly turns around.
You've been here.
Do you like it?
No.
Deku,
This is my opera.
why are you holding the cake box by your butt cheeks?
What?
Open the box, Kachan.
I have an offering. Get your butt
Holy bazookas.
out of here.
The cake is your butt? Yes, Kachan, the cake is my booty.
Yo, orange.
I hope you don't mind.
Ghost hunting?
You know, cause it's a cake, and it's your birthday, so I figured you'd want to eat my cake. You bet your freaking ass that wants to eat that cake.
I don't have bananas on me. No,
Kachan, stop, it tickles. What flavor is it? It's,
You're back! Spider is back! Spider! Wake up! Here's a ghost in my code. What just happened to
there's a big dick in my walls, hard on, through his pants I see his hard on, keep my ticking inside, wish I had a wet wipe.
Did I get banned? Wait. I wonder if that one guy is streaming right now.
Where's the tiger?
Oh, dang it. Maybe it's a different code. Or maybe it's in VStump. I'm gonna check VStump. I'm gonna keep trying to troll that motherfucker again. Do you see how traumatized that one person in this code was that last time? Oh shit, are you the streamer? No? Oh shit. I genuinely thought I actually got the guess correct, like. Okay. Fuck that streamer, bro. Fuck that.
Kachan, happy birthday!
I'm hearing that.
Thanks, nerd. What are you hiding behind your back? It's a sweet surprise. Well, let me see, Deku. Slowly turns around. Do you like it?
Shut up, I'm trying to
Okay.
listen, man.
Why are you holding the cake box by your butt cheeks?
I actually thought.
Open the box, Kachan.
I'm black. It's so bad. Turn your head normal again.
Holy bazookas. The cake is your butt? Yes, Kachan, the cake is my booty. I hope you don't mind. You know, 'cause it's a cake.
Bro, oh my god.
It's your birthday, so I figured you'd want to eat my cake. You bet your freaking ass that wants to eat that cake.
What?
Ooh. Kachan, it tickles. What flavor is it? It's, vanilla with, chocolate on the inside. I put sprinkles on it, too, and everything. Baki sprinkles.
Oh, yeah,
My favorite. Let's just say I'm gonna put all types of vanilla icing on that chocolate.
Okay, maybe the Hulu should be faster for me.
You're making me
Enough, I
hard.
don't think it's
Time to dig in.
I don't think I should finish the
I
next
like
portion.
that. I like that. Give me more. I like that.
Over to you, over to you.
Kachan, chill.
Dude. What is this?
Give me more pieces.
Kachan, stop!
I just wanted to
I said slow down.
And ask you to my bag.
You're eating my booty
and
too.
my shell packet.
Stop. Alright, it's okay. It's okay, birthday boy. It's your birthday. You can eat my cake as fast as you want. Just take it easy. The cake's not going anywhere. I think I want Todoroki to try this cake.
What?
Yoshi.
Hella cringe.
I see how. Yo. Hold up.
What the? Yeah.
There's a big dick in my walls, hard on. Through his pants I see his balls, hard on. Keep my dick and balls inside, wish I had a wet wipe. There's a gay side to us all, hard on. Every inch in my rear end, he grinds and grinds. Feeling my adrenaline, he grinds and grinds. Licks the cream cheese off my feet, constantly beats my needs. Cock is hard just like cement, he grinds. Uh-oh.
I'm not done with you yet. Bro, what? Are you saying Alvin and the Chipmunks? No, man, that's not Alvin and the Chipmunks. That's Alvin's cousin. Bro, where was the original song at? We don't need this. Guys, come on, come here, guys. It's a secret. This where the other kid actually sings the song, right?
Hey.
They tell me my penis small, I tell them let it grow. I jerk my cock until it's bleached just like a chicken bone. I tell them stroke my peenie, they laugh and tell me choke. It's cool because I want them laughing at my penis small. They jerking rocks at me, I'm not in rocks, catch me. I say calm out my penis, no you can't combat me. They tell me I tell them so's my cock, penis got me too. Post my pictures on TikTok. They tell me I've been creaming. I said I'm like
Dark green, look. I got your twin. Look.
I'm fucking nigga.
I'm not
Oh, I love femboys. Come here, baby boy.
Oh, hell no.
I'ma touch you.
Ew,
I'ma
yeah,
fuck
yeah.
you.
Yeah.
I'ma fuck you. Nah, stay in that corner. Stay in that corner like a good boy.
What? And let us do what we gotta do.
Can't see the button, bro. I'm going into hiding.
Man. Don't put that on YouTube.
Ha! He left your ass couldn't, bro.
My ass eating dick, so don't balls in my mouth, bitch. I don't need no fucking drink, bitch. I'm not Bill Cosby, but this pussy is not out. I call it Debbie Douglas. From my young kinda, go be the pussy.
What is bro on about? Hi.
What you want, man? I have your color.
Congrats, bro.
Hey, you. I have your color.
I don't know.
Wait, can you do that mod where your body is like all the way in the back and you look like a spider? Can you do that? Can you do that?
Down better sped up.
Try to go back to normal. God damn it.
Okay.
What is going on?
Roblox algorithm tech.
Pass. I just shit out my ass.
Nobody likes Roblox anymore. Yeah, seriously, I'm looking forward to play Roblox with my sister.
I'm not.
I should shoot him? Okay. Yes, please. Done.
This dick in my ass is way too big. I think my ass is about to split. It's digging deep in my back door. But
Your name is so scary, bro.
Long sweat,
Your name is even worse.
cleaner. Normally I ain't no screamer.
Been gooning all day and I can't stop. I beg you, save me from this torment. It's like a voice that calls to me and just makes me
What am I
put
hearing?
your hands up in the air right now.
This is pretty traumatizing.
Oh, Lil Nas X, I'm trying to do anal sex. That great track team is getting undressed. I was so big,
Boys keep giving me
AIDS. I go so fucking embarrassing. I bet my Uncle Rick.
he gon' feel
I feel bad for people who are actually kids here. For real.
the good widow kitten.
I am. Uh-oh.
Kitten, did you just make a poopy whoop in your pantsy?
I'm here to show you the most jaw-dropping, heart-stopping, mind-bending paraphernalia you've ever laid your eyes upon! Isn't that right, Bubble?
I got a better one than that.
Oh, Patrick, I'm cleaning and rubbing it hard. Oh, Patrick, no! Ah, it's everywhere.
Enough!
Please, no! Kids' childhoods! Exactly! SpongeBob is really good!
Oh, Zooble, you mismatched
And
cast
a little
piano,
kid,
I'll
bro.
tell you.
If I tell my mom that I heard a SpongeBob...
Look,
version
this
of
is probably a kid right here. This is probably a kid right here.
Exactly! I feel bad for this one.
I feel bad for you, bruh.
Welcome!
No, please.
Talking about me? You think I'm a kid?
Here's open there part of the song. Hope y'all ready for this. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swallow, la, la. Drink, swallow, la, la. Swallow, la, la. Swallow, la, la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swallow, la, la. Drink, swallow, la, la. Swallow, la, la. Swallow, la, la.
Honestly. What the fuck? You got the...
Daisy.
Yo, how do you get mods? How do you get mods?
Daisy, Daisy.
How do you get
Join
mods?
the
How do
Discord.
you get mods?
Scary, bro. Join the Discord, twin. Join the Discord, twin.
Frick you. Yo, how do you get mods?
Join the Discord, dude.
Join the Discord, dude!
Join the Discord, twin.
I don't have the dish.
game, so play scrims.
My first time we're getting people who aren't very good.
Can somebody come with me?
Does someone want to play scrims? I got people to play scrims, and we're doing under skill level people to play scrims.
Oh my god.
Does anyone want to join?
Oh god.
Nobody?
Peace out.
Someone want to play scrims? I need someone who's not very good at the game, because I got a bunch of people who aren't very good to play.
I'm not good. I'm not really good at the game.
Me.
I'm not really
Hey
good
guys,
at the
I need one person.
I'm not good.
My friend is not good at the game. He's on the toilet. He's in the restroom right now. Alex, I'm gonna do you, okay? Yay! I'll send you the code on top of stump. No one else can come. Yeah. Please do not. I'm one-handing all this space. Come here. Listen.
You.
Can somebody teach my friend how to play?